Hey, it's Dr. Hannah with this week's hot topic. Today I'm going to talk to you about posture correctors. Not like me, posture corrector as a chiropractor, but like a posture corrector tool that you can wear. Something that helps you correct slouching and other forms of bad posture. So posture corrector can give you more of an upright, healthy, attractive looking posture because it helps support your shoulders, your back, and your neck and helps stabilize it in that proper position. Now there are 4 different types of posture correctors I'm going to talk about today. Just a little side note, if you get the wrong type of posture corrector, the desired posture goal that you want could actually make it worse, or you could have some complications if you get the wrong one. So let me know if you have any questions on it, and then hopefully we can get you the right posture corrector, and then you'll get the posture desire that you want. So first one we'll talk about is called the cross back elastic brace. So wearing this basic brace, it's super comfortable. It supports your clavicle, your chest, and your back to be in that correct posture. And it's super easy to wear because basically it just pushes your chest forward. I liken this one to kind of wearing like a really tight sports bra. You can't see it. It doesn't feel super uncomfortable, and it's something that's super easy and it's relatively inexpensive. So the second one is called the molded upper back brace. So this is similar to that cross back elastic brace, but it's a bit more uncomfortable to wear if you had to compare the two. It does have a metal or like a stiff plastic piece that they put in the back between your shoulder blades, so it's kind of like a little triangle, and that's what helps push your posture in the correct position. It does offer a little bit more support than that cross back elastic brace. So it does make it more suitable for serious cases of bad posture. But because it's a little bit more bulky, it does have those metal or plastic pieces, depending on which one you get. You can see it through your clothing, and sometimes it makes it unsuitable for wearing it outside the house. So it just kind of depends on the look that you're going for. Now the third one is called the long line back brace. So this back brace is for individuals with the most extreme types of bad posture. I'm not talking about scoliosis. That's a whole other back brace, whole other conversation. But this one's also suitable for people who have low back pain. Now it works by providing the support. It actually supports you from the base of your neck and then goes all the way down to the top parts of your hips. It is adjustable, so you can provide the level of support that you need. So if you need more or less, and it does support your entire back from top to bottom. Now it's like that molded back, or the molded upper back brace, because it does have that metal that goes up and down that supports your spine. But it is super bulky, and it can be limiting depending on what kind of clothing you wear underneath it, or over top of it. You're gonna wear that underneath your clothes. So depending on, again, the type of look that you're going for, might not be suitable for all day. Now the last one is called the electronic posture reminder. So it's not necessarily a brace that whereas it provides those physical support, it's actually an electronic posture reminder that actually corrects your posture when it alerts you when you start to slouch. So you wear the device, it connects to the skin of your upper back, and then when you start to slouch kind of over like that, it just vibrates and it alerts you to straighten up. This one's probably my favorite one because you actually have to work on your posture, and you don't necessarily have to have a posture corrector that's just doing it for you. So a posture corrector can improve your gait, but if you misuse the brace, you can end up doing more harm than good. Like, for example, excessively using that physical brace, you can lead to your back muscles are weakening. They become dependent on the brace for support. And again, this can lead to the worst, the damaging of your posture because your muscles just aren't working for it anymore. Now, as a chiropractor, I'm going to tell you, using a brace alone is not enough to improve your posture. So after we adjust you, we do give you some recommended physical therapy exercises, strengthening exercises that you can do regularly to help improve your posture. So a posture brace or posture corrector is just another tool that you can do to add all those other things. So the thought process behind all this is the stronger the muscles are in those areas, the better you'll be able to hold your body in that proper posture. And over time, when you have a correct posture, you're going to do it unconsciously and you're going to do it without effort. So it's not going to hurt. So like when I'm in the room and I'm showing you like, oh, hey, this is how you do the posture. You can do this every hour on the hour. Hold it for 30 seconds. And most of the time, most of you are telling me that it's super uncomfortable. So that's why, because your muscles aren't strong enough, they're not used to this. So getting adjusted, doing those strengthening exercises, and adding a posture corrector in there so you can wear it temporarily is a good thing if you're super, super concerned about your slouching, you want to improve your posture, you don't want a dowager's hump, which is that little bump on the back of your neck. So those are some things that you can do to help your posture. But again, I'm a chiropractor. It's what I do. We adjust you to help strengthen your muscles, better make your posture better. But some of these things, sometimes you need a little bit more help, and a posture corrector is a really good idea to do that. So those are the 4 types today. Again, let me know if you have any questions or you're not sure of which one to use. And yeah, we'll go from there. All right, guys, that's all I have for you this week. We'll see you guys next time.